Hello guys. If you see me wearing the same thing, it's because of the last video in my Q&A. I'm doing the video right after because I wanted to talk about, because I put in my video, my Q&A, about this Wormwood black walnut. I said blackwood, sorry, but that's why I'm doing this, to correct myself. It's a herbal extract. Okay, I'm gonna show you how it looks right here. And this is good for parasites. If you have parasites, wormwood will definitely just pretty much get rid of them over time. You have to do this more than like one day or something. You have to do at least 2 weeks, to really get results. This is my day 2 of it, and a lot of people warn that you have issues, like you'll start feeling a certain way when you're taking it. But I mean, the first day, I'm not gonna lie, my body probably reacted to it and was like, "What the heck are you doing?" So I felt a little lightheaded and just like kind of like confused, like dazed or something. So I just took a little nap, and then everything. So the day 1 was kind of like a shock to my body, but everything else since this day 2, so far so good. Like literally, I mean, I woke up with energy the first day, anyways. The next day. So it's like so much energy, and just doing it for 2 days, Sunday, Monday. Actually, it's 3 days. My bad. I started Sunday, so the Q&A. Sorry, because I did. Well, that'd be 3 days, right? 2 days and then. So I started Sunday, Monday, and now Tuesday. Yeah, that's 3 days. Okay. So you put at least, it recommends for you to put 15 to 30 drops, but I started off with 20 just to get my body like a little used to it. Then I'll up the dose, but I do it 3 times. It says you could do it 4 times. You put it in water, just put a little water, because the taste is really bitter, really, really, really bad. It tastes like, like you're taking medicine straight without, it just doesn't taste great. Okay, but with that being said, if you just put a little water in, you douse it, you drink it real fast, it's no problem. So I got used to it. Parasites, we all know, we get them from different things. You can get them from your dog. You can get them from eating like meats and different things, and they can accumulate in time, and some people have them worse than others. Me myself, I have no idea. I haven't had the symptoms that everybody say that you get for having parasites, but I decided I want to do a full body cleanse. I do detox with vinegar, cayenne. I don't know how to say that. I don't say it right, so correct me. Whatever. And like lemon and honey, just to cleanse, and do a natural colon cleanse. I do that. But I decided I want to do, just in case I have parasites, just get rid of everything. I plan on going vegan because honestly, I was eating meat. I did go vegan for like 30 days. No, no, 3 months. A year ago, like in 2017 or 16, like in the beginning or the end of 16. And it went well. I mean, I had so much energy. It was beautiful. But then, of course, temptation, you cooking your kids meat and things, you get that temptation. So I did go back to eating chicken and meat again and different things. But I kind of want to go back. If I'm going to do this parasite cleansing, I kind of want to start back to vegan, slowly going back to vegan, because I think that it just defeats the purpose if I kill them and then I bring them back, So, with that being said, that's what I plan on doing. I'm not going to hold myself to that. I'm just going to take it day by day as I do my spiritual journey and get my body and my temple prepared for, the sick weathers. Sick weather. The sick. Okay. When you get sick during these sick seasons. How about that? I always mess up, but you know what? This is raw. I'm not editing, so you guys are gonna see the reels, But if you have any questions about this supplement, let me know in the comments. I say it, I mean, it did great for me, like so far. I mean, I haven't had any complications that people said, but if I do, I will let you guys know. So I'll be doing this for 2 weeks, 3 days in, and I'm gonna let it go, and then I'll try it after 2 weeks of healing from it. I'm gonna do it again, because you know, you have baby ones that still have the eggs after you kill the adults. They're still baby, so if there is, I have to redo it again to kill them and just get them completely out of my body. I feel like this is a good thing because I really was addicted to sugar, like literally sugar. Like I would have like bad attitudes. The kids would be like, really? Like really, I just be cranky if I don't have any sugar, like cupcake, anything with sugar in it. And I feel like this journey right now, I'm doing no sugar. And then when I did my vegan 90-day vegan, I had no sugar, but just sweet, like watermelon that has natural sugar. And man, my body was like, whoo, it was in its good shape. I'm telling you, I didn't drink sodas or nothing. My mind was clear. But then go back to sugar, and guess what happens? Addiction. Eating those things, those artificial things that's natural artificial syrups like corn syrup and high fructose and all that stuff is really bad for your body. Really, like literally, you can be. It's like a drug. You can be addicted to those. And I used to be addicted to candy. Licorice, red vines is my thing. Like literally, I'm thinking about it now. Like I really want to get it back. I really want to go. I'm going. You gonna overcome this. But anyway, that being said, if any of you guys want to do this 2-week challenge with me, let me know. Like, let's do it together. Let's cleanse ourselves. Let's get our minds and our bodies ready, you know, for anything that's going on in this world. You know, we already, most of our GMO foods and things. Let's get our bodies back together. Let's get our health together, guys. Come on. I'm 44 years old. Look. Okay? I need to keep up with my body and my health and my general everything. And you know, when you have kids, you definitely got to run after them. You need to have energy. So most of the foods we think, and coffee is one thing we have to stop for a little bit. Like literally, people, coffee. If you get that morning coffee every morning, you need to substitute it with like green tea. That's what I did. I stopped drinking coffee, and I drink green tea, and I'll put like little creamer in it and sugar, like the English do. They put milk in it in their tea, you know. Just that's what I was doing, but right now I'm not doing any teas or anything. Just this and fruits and vegetables. Well, not all fruits, because you can't. When you're taking this, you cannot eat certain things. And I didn't put that up. Maybe I'm gonna at the end. I will probably try to put write down a list of foods, or maybe I'll do it right here. I'll put it up. A list of foods you should not be eating when you're taking this. Okay, guys? Your health is very important, and the journey is now. So with that being said, let's get rid of those little suckers, those little parasites that be trying to take all our food and and make us be addicted to sugar. We're gonna kill them. Okay? Let's get them. Let's get rid of them. No more. You're not. And then a lot of people say when they taking these supplements that they feel like stuff in it. I don't feel anything. You know, my stomach growled. They said when you growl, that's the little bugs getting mad or whatever. I don't know if that's true, but listen, I heard growling in my stomach, but I never felt anything move. So, and then when I did my bowel movements, I did see the first day. I did see like in my bowel movement. I know seeing too much information. Sorry. I seen like it was dead something in there, like looked like a little worm dead in my poop, and I was like, dang, first day, like, so it's working. So guys, try to be cautious and don't overdose on this. Don't put too much. You know, I heard wormwood could be, you know, always consult a doctor. If your health is bad, always consult a doctor about the situation, what you're taking, herbal. And I am not a doctor. I can't tell you what's good for you or anything. I just showing you what I'm doing, and you have to make sure that you do things on your caution and your health and your situation. Okay. So with that being said, bye guys. Sorry the 10 minute. Over 10 minutes, but I wanted to put that out real quick. And I do ramble a lot, but I'm gonna stop that, I promise. All right guys,